Hi, my name is Gurpreet Singh Panesar. Today I will discuss the remaining divine significance of Ganesh Chaturthi. So let's start. Invoke the Vigna Vinashak in your personality. Yesterday we explored the true meaning of the birth of Sri Ganesh. Sri Shankarji cut the child's head and placed the head of an elephant on his body, which symbolizes that the Supreme Father finishes our head of ego and replaces it with the head of wisdom. The large forehead of Sri Ganesh signifies wisdom. When we study the spiritual knowledge given by the Supreme Father and inculcate it in our every thoughts, words and action, we become full of wisdom. Broad ears shaped like sieves filters means that we consume only that which is good in every person and situation. Imbibing pure information keeps the mind clean. Small eyes are symbolic of farsightedness, which means see the future result of each karma. Before we do the karma today, a small mouth of Sri Ganesh is a reminder for us to speak less, and each word should be a blessing for ourselves and others. The trunk is powerful enough to uproot trees and soft enough to pick a child. This means we need to be soft and strong emotionally. We need to keep a balance of love and law while performing our responsibilities. Sri Ganesh is shown with only one task. It signifies that we should not be caught into dualities of likes and dislikes, pleasant and pain, pleasant and unpleasant, good and bad. We have to overcome this and develop contentment and remain peaceful in all circumstances. The large stomach of Sri Ganesh represents the power to accommodate. We should not talk to others about people's weaknesses and their incorrect actions. An axe, rope and lotus are shown in Sri Ganesh's hand, and his one hand is giving blessings. Axe represents the power to cut negative habits. Rope is symbolic of remaining tied to the discipline of a pure lifestyle. Lotus life means living in the muddy surroundings but untouched and unpure. The hand of blessings means irrespective of how others behave, our thoughts and words for them should only be a blessings. He is shown sitting with one leg touching the ground and other folded. This is a reminder for us to remain grounded and humble, to be in the world and yet detached from it. The modak placed in one of his hands represents success as a result of a hard work, but he is never shown eating it, which means achieve success but don't take credit for it. Modak also symbolizes unity and cooperation since all five fingers are needed to make a modak. The mouse, which is shown close to Sri Ganesh's feet, symbolizes victory over vices and desires. Just as a mouse quietly enters a house even through a tiny hole, vices enter a soul who is not alert. When we imbibe all the qualities of Sri Ganesh, we will overpower our vices and desires. When we start experiencing and expressing the divine qualities as symbolized by Sri Ganesh in our every thought, word and action, our obstacles get destroyed and we enjoy purity, peace and prosperity at every step in our life. Thank you.